Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Anna, it's good to be back again. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, relaxed, and ready to talk. How about you?
I feel the same. Calm, focused, and excited about today's topic.
Yes, this topic is very important for English learners. Many people ask about this.
That's true. People often say, I start strong, but I stop too early.
Exactly. They feel tired, they lose energy, and they stop before finishing.
So today, we're talking about something simple but very powerful.
It's about staying motivated and finishing what you start.
This idea is not only for English, it's for daily life too.
Yes, studying, working, even small daily habits.
Many learners think motivation means feeling excited all the time.
But real motivation is different. Sometimes you feel tired, sometimes you don't feel excited at all.
And that's normal. Everyone feels like that.
The real question is, what do you do at that moment?
Do you stop because you're tired, or do you continue until you're finished?
That small decision changes everything.
Today's conversation will help you understand this idea in simple English with real-life examples.
No pressure, no difficult words, just clear ideas you can use.
Before we continue, we want to say one small thing.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode.
And subscribe to the channel. It really helps us continue making content for you.
Thank you for being here. Let's continue together.
Small actions shape the whole morning mood. Even simple habits can feel important.
Yes, mornings really set the tone for the day. Some mornings feel calm and slow, others feel rushed and noisy.
I usually start with something very simple. I get out of bed and stretch a little. That small movement helps my body wake up.
I do the same, actually. Stretching makes me feel less sleepy. Then I head to the bathroom.
That part is very common for everyone. We wash our face and brush our teeth. It sounds boring, but it matters.
True. Those small routines make us feel ready. After that, I think about breakfast.
Breakfast choices say a lot about our day. Some people like something fast. Others enjoy sitting and eating slowly.
I enjoy a quiet breakfast when I can. I drink tea and eat something light. It gives me a peaceful feeling.
I see. Sometimes mornings are busy for me. I grab food and move quickly.
That happens to many people. After breakfast, the day usually speeds up. Work or study starts calling us.
Yes, that shift feels very natural. We leave home and go to our places. The commute becomes part of the routine.
Some take the bus or train, others walk or drive. That travel time can feel long.
But it can also be useful time. Some people listen to music, others review plans for the day.
I like that idea. Using small moments wisely helps a lot. Then the afternoon slowly arrives.
Afternoons often feel different from mornings. Energy can drop a little. Focus becomes more important.
Yes, but knowing this helps us prepare. Once we accept that rhythm, the rest of the day feels easier to manage.
As the day moves forward, the afternoon quietly takes control. The busy morning starts to fade. Work and study feel more serious now.
Yes, afternoons need a different kind of focus. Energy is still there, but it feels slower. This is when small habits really help.
Many people continue working after lunch. Some feel sleepy. Others feel ready to finish important tasks.
That feeling is very common. After eating, the body relaxes, so the mind needs extra attention.
I try to keep things simple in the afternoon. I focus on one task at a time. That helps me stay calm.
I like that approach. Doing too many things together feels stressful. One clear goal works better.
Slowly, the evening starts to arrive. Work ends. The pressure begins to leave the body.
Evenings feel different for everyone. Some people go out, others prefer staying at home.
At home, the mood usually becomes softer. Dinner is prepared. The house becomes quieter.
Yes, dinner time is important. It brings a sense of comfort. It also signals that the day is almost complete.
After dinner, people relax in many ways. Some watch TV. Some read or talk with family.
These moments help the mind rest. They prepare us for sleep. Without this time, the day feels unfinished.
Before sleeping, small routines return again. Brushing teeth, getting ready for bed.
Those final actions quietly close the day. And now we're curious about you. In the comments, tell us one evening habit that helps you relax. Sharing your routine helps others learn too. And just like that, the day gently comes to an end.
As the evening settles in, attention slowly shifts inward. This is the time many people finally choose for themselves.
Yes, free time feels more personal. It reflects who we are and what we enjoy.
Some people like quiet moments. Others feel better staying active.
Both are normal. Free time does not need rules.
I notice that habits become clearer in this part of the day. What we choose now often shows our personality.
That's true. One person may open a book, another may open a phone.
Simple actions matter here. Listening to music, drinking tea, taking a short walk.
These small choices affect how the day ends. They can calm the mind or make it busy again.
Talking about free time in English is very useful. It comes up in daily conversations.
Yes, people often ask questions like, "What do you do in your free time?"
Answering does not need difficult words. Simple sentences are enough.
For example, "I usually relax at home," or "I like watching movies."
Using usually, sometimes, or often makes speech natural. It sounds real.
And it removes pressure. You don't need to explain everything.
Free time also connects to feelings. Happy, calm, relaxed.
Those feelings help English sound more alive. They bring emotion into simple sentences.
When people describe their habits, conversations become warmer, more personal.
Exactly. Free time talk builds connection. It helps conversations flow naturally.
And that gentle flow continues as the day quietly moves forward. As the day moves closer to an end, people often look back. They think about what went well and what felt difficult.
Yes, this is when reflection begins naturally, not forced, just honest thoughts.
Every day has small challenges. Busy schedules, low energy, lack of time.
These moments are very real, and they are easy to talk about in simple English.
People often say things like, "Today was hard," or "I was very busy."
Those sentences are simple, but they express a lot.
At the same time, small achievements matter too. Finishing the task, learning one new thing.
Yes, even small progress is still progress.
Talking about achievements builds confidence, especially for English learners.
For example, "I finished my work," or "I practiced English today."
These sentences create a positive feeling. They change how the day feels overall.
They also prepare the mind to keep going tomorrow.
Challenges and achievements belong together. One makes the other meaningful.
Without difficulty, success feels empty. Without success, effort feels heavy.
That balance is part of daily life and part of daily English.
Talking about both sides makes conversations natural, not perfect, just real.
This kind of honesty helps learners feel relaxed. There is no pressure to sound perfect.
Only a need to communicate, to share experience.
And that feeling gently prepares the way forward.
Yes, it leads naturally toward reflection and review.
After sharing experiences, It feels natural to pause. Not to stop, but to look back calmly.
Yes, this is a good moment to review what we used today.
Let's remember a few key words from the conversation.
Simple words, useful words.
The first word is routine. Routine means the things you do every day.
For example, my morning routine starts early.
Another important word is busy. Busy means you have many things to do.
You can say, today was busy but productive.
We also used the word tired. Tired means low energy, needing rest.
Like, I feel tired in the evening.
The word finish came up often. Finish means to complete something.
For example, I finished my work on time.
We also talked about progress. Progress means moving forward step by step.
Even small progress is important.
Another useful word is challenge. A challenge is something that feels difficult.
Challenges are normal in daily life.
And finally, the word proud. Proud means feeling good about what you did.
I feel proud of my effort today.
These words help you talk about real life, not perfect life, real life.
You don't need long sentences, just clear ones.
Now, it's your turn. Think about your day.
What did you do today? What small thing did you finish?
Share one sentence in the comments.
We love reading your thoughts and learning with you.
If this conversation helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel for more English practice.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.